great year and model to take a look at. 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS, two-door hardtop. Yes, true SS. 873 trim. It'll be red interior, Regal red paint, R paint code, and then the 16837 style number on the data tag. So there's a little decoding of the data tag for you. The 16837, it's going to tell you it's a true SS, and like I said, 873 red trim, R paint code for Regal red. So how about a red on red true Impala SS? 396 V8 underneath the hood. Now the engine was rebuilt with less than 500 miles on it. It has been decked. Before it was decked, there is a picture of the VIN stamping and the date, of course, and the production of it. You can check that out in the still pictures. I'm going to tell you where to check those out in a little bit. But first of all, that 396 is paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive, cruise control, cruise works, and again, less than 500 miles on that drivetrain rebuild. Now, let's take a look at the chrome. Grill, headlight, surrounds, everything's looking good up here. Shows very well. As far as the paint also shows well. Look at the reflection. Shine coming off that. Yes, you may have a couple little spots. I mean, see this right there. I don't know if you can hardly see it. Just some very small where there's been just a little bit of touch-up done, but that tells me that this car has been cared for. Previous owners taking care of it, want to keep it looking good. Now, still pictures. So you can take a look at what I'm going to talk about as we walk around this car and what I've already talked about. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. When you look underneath the hood in the pictures, again, you can see a 396 power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. So nicely equipped. This car's set up to go down the road, folks. Boss wheels. 5-spoke, nice looking, kind of a flat gray and polished combination. You can see the drilled rotors up front. Speaking up front, it also has Viking coilover, adjustable front suspension with those disc brakes, dual master cylinder. Great looking stance. When we get on the driver's side of this car, I'll step back so you can see the stance of this thing. Looks great. Of course, a shifter in the console, bucket seats. It's that red vinyl. It does have an aftermarket stereo added, but kept the original looking dash. There's a Pioneer, and that is working. Full aftermarket gauge cluster above the center console. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the rear of the car, take a look again. Chrome and the bright work. This car will definitely turn some heads, the way it looks, the way it sounds. Won't be afraid to show this at any of your local shows, local cruise-ins. Take it out and have some fun. Remember, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And look at how straight that car is. Rear to the front of the driver's side. Those are some long panels too. All right, let's take a little peek at this interior. First of all, door panels. Nice shape. You'll be able to check out still pictures underneath those doors. With all the still pictures, probably over 100 pictures of this car online. As you can see, seat belts, front and rear. And again, that vinyl not showing much wear at all. Good shape. The stereo does have Bluetooth capabilities, as you can see on the steering column there. A little aftermarket Bosch tack as well. Wipers do work. Mentioned AC works. That stereo is in fine working order. Now you do see a dash pad up here. Go ahead and take a look in the still pictures. I can't really say that it's hiding anything. It's there for protecting the dash, being in the sun, and keeping it looking good like it already does. So check out the still pictures. Want to see if it's hiding anything? Go ahead and look. Alright, 396 fires up. Center gauge cluster. All aftermarket one. You can see those are working. One of the salespeople just had this out for a cruise for a customer. So I got a little temperature rise on that gauge there. Already showing some interest. Just finishing up the video. Pioneer stereo, and the stereo sounds good too. Nice sounding interior, good sounding car. Let's slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Then we're going to check out this engine bay. I think you know how that's going to look, judging by the rest of this car. And again, check out those underside pics of this one. There you go, listen to that. Nothing crazy over the top for cam. No crazy exhaust. Just a nice, deep, throaty exhaust note. Not smoking. Ooh, sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's get up here, check out this engine bay, and we'll wrap up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that hood popped. Hood liner looks good. There it is. Less than 500 miles in a power plant. Again, see newer master cylinder. Power steering, power brakes. Remember those front discs up front. This is how good that sounds. Later model AC compressor, and you can see it is not running on the R12 or 34. Heater hose is also hooked up. The cruise control box. HVI ignition back there, absolutely. Battery shut off. A lot of good things going for this car. Wow. If you wanted to get in, turn the key, and go have some fun. 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS, true SS, two-door hardtop, 396 powered. And don't forget about that 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Give us a call. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call in or email.